your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Beaudesert Magistrates Court. Client was charged with a repeat drink driving / drug driving offence. Today it was drink driving, a reading of .0122. That's mid-range, so basically low range starts at .050, goes up to .099, mid-range kicks in at .100, goes to .149. So mid-range for a first offence is minimum 3 months, maximum 12. But if you've got a previous low or mid-range DUI or what's called a relevant drug presence, a drug driving, but not a case of where you've been high on drugs, but you've been found with traces of a drug in your system previously within 5 years, the minimum ironically stays at 3 months, but the maximum goes up to 18 months. So, as I said, it was repeat, because basically the legislation, there's not drink driving laws and drug driving laws. It's basically the one section of legislation that covers both drink driving and drug driving, and they sort of splinter off based on what the substance or type of alcohol, whatever it is that was in your system is. So if you've got a drink driving offence with a previous drug driving, it's seen as repeat, even though it might be your first drink driving offence, which it was the case for my client. But as I said, he had that previous relevant drug present in the last 5 years. So maximum 18 months, minimum 3. He can't get a work licence, because to be able to apply for a work licence, you can't have lost your licence for any reason in the last 5 years. And as I've already said, he had that previous relevant drug present, which led to a loss of licence within the last 5 years. He was also charged with possess dangerous drug, being cannabis, and possess utensils, so like your bowls and your scissors and whatnot that you use to cut up your cannabis. So my job was one of getting the disqualification down as low as possible and trying to get a fine only for the drug offending. With regard to preparing for the matter, we got him to do the reformatory course we get all of our clients to do, got him to get character references based on the template we provide all of our clients. We got him to fill out the online form that we get our clients to fill out, but that prompts clients to give us the information we need. So, you know, everyone's got their own story, but we know what the magistrate needs to know about, and our online forms have been built to prompt you to give us the information we need, not... Because if you go to court and start talking about all this stuff the magistrate isn't legally required to consider, they'll just start getting very frustrated, because they're very busy courts, and you'll end up getting a outcome that's not what you want, because you've just agitated. I mean, you know, if you go to McDonald's and it takes you 40 minutes to order a Big Mac, even the nicest guy is going to get agitated. You know, simplistic sort of terms, I'll put it in there, but it's as simple as that. Busy courts, they're flat out, they're struggling to knock off at a reasonable time frame. If you start talking about a bunch of stuff that's not relevant, it's not going to help you get the outcome you want. So our online form prompts you to give us the information we need. Once we've got that from you, we've got the police brief, we prepare our submissions. Met the client at court this morning, ran through those submissions with him, explained what was going to happen procedurally, you know, where to stand, what the prosecutor's likely to say, what I'm going to say, and what the magistrate's likely to say. I had to be reasonably forceful, given that previous and the coupling of drug charges with the offence. But the long and short of it is, after a bit of forceful persuasion, I was able to persuade the magistrate to stick to the minimum 3 months, notwithstanding that he's got that previous and that it's, you know, mid-range, .122, and the drug offence is coupled with it. So 3 month disqualification and fines, and I was able to get no convictions recorded on the drug offences. You're never going to, well, rarely are you going to get no conviction recorded on a repeat drug / drink driving offence. But given he had no history of drug criminal, it's not really criminal, but like there's drug traffic offences like drug driving, and there's then drug you know, quasi-criminal offences, so your possession and all that kind of stuff. So no conviction recorded for the drug offences, 3 month disqualification for the drink driving, fines, and nothing else beyond that. Obviously, he just serves the 3 months. renews his licence after the 3 months and he's back on the road and gets on with his life. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Beaudesert Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle, imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the wise man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving?